Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where we explore cars that are built for real roads, real work, and real people. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Chevrolet Damas, a compact pickup that proves you don't need big size to make a big impact. This latest 2026 model carries forward the trusted DNA of the Damas but adds a modern touch that fits perfectly into today's urban and small business lifestyle. The 2026 Chevrolet Damas is designed for efficiency, durability, and practicality. From the very first glance, it looks more refined and confident than previous generations. The front fascia feels cleaner and more modern, with sharper lines and a balanced design that gives it a fresh road presence. Chevrolet has clearly focused on making the Damas look professional and reliable, whether it's parked outside a shop or moving through busy city streets. Under the hood, the 2026 Damas continues its reputation as a hard-working utility vehicle. The engine is tuned for fuel efficiency and long-term reliability, making it ideal for daily deliveries and commercial use. It may not be built for speed, but it delivers smooth power exactly where it's needed. The improved transmission helps reduce engine stress and provides a more comfortable driving experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Chevrolet Damas is its compact size. This vehicle is incredibly easy to maneuver through narrow roads, crowded markets, and tight parking spaces. For small business owners, this is a huge advantage. Despite its compact body, the cargo bed is well optimized, allowing you to carry tools, supplies, and goods with confidence. Chevrolet has reinforced the chassis to handle heavier loads without compromising stability. Step inside the cabin, and you'll notice a clear upgrade in comfort and layout. The dashboard design is simple and functional, with easy-to-read controls and improved materials. The seats are more supportive than before, making long working hours less tiring. Chevrolet has also improved cabin insulation, reducing road noise and making daily driving more pleasant. Safety has not been ignored in the 2026 model. Basic safety features such as improved braking, stronger body structure, and better visibility are part of the package. The steering feels light yet controlled, giving drivers confidence even when the vehicle is fully loaded. For a vehicle in this category, the driving experience feels surprisingly stable and predictable. The 2026 Chevrolet Damas is not about luxury or flashy features. It's about getting the job done, day after day, without unnecessary complications. It's affordable to maintain, fuel efficient, and built with a focus on long-term use. That's exactly why it continues to be a popular choice in many markets around the world. If you're looking for a reliable work partner that fits perfectly into city life and small business needs, the 2026 Chevrolet Damas deserves serious attention. This is a vehicle built on trust, practicality, and smart engineering. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more honest car reviews and automotive updates, right here on Auto Garage.